see. So, Hallie, you're holding one?
Yes, and every time I hold a duck, it's super hyper. But now it's calm a little bit.
Hi.
It's a little bit calm.
Now, is this one Ruby or Pineapple?
I think this is Ruby.
You think this one's Ruby? Can't tell.
I can't tell. If it's
Hannah?
Pineapple, every time I hold it, it's so calm.
Oh,
I wonder why. But right now it's acting a little bit hyper.
Hi, little one. Is this Pineapple?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
So cute.
I don't know which one's which.
Yeah.
Yes, they both look like twins.
They do look like twins. I think they're siblings. Are they sisters like you two are?
Yeah.
Okay.
We were first gonna name our YouTube channel Scissor Sisters, but then we wanted Happy Hardens.
Yes.
Because then we thought about our brother, and then we wanted our brother to be in the YouTube channel, so that's why we called it the Happy Hardens.
Mm-hmm.
Mine's just nibbling on the towel.
So cute.
Its beak is hot.
It is.
Yeah, I think. Come on, take a wave.
Glad you guys are having fun and cuddling up.
My duck keeps nibbling, not this, well, this is not mine, but this duck keeps nibbling me. It's cute. It feels weird.
Yeah.
It's like,
Let's get a close up. Hey, baby.
do you want a close up of mine?
Mm-hmm, I do.
Mine's so cute when it gets close ups because look at it.
So sleepy. There's a little wood chip on your...
It's not moving.
Yeah.
It's been trying to eat that wood chip.
Mm-hmm. Hi, little ducky.
I'm keeping it warm.
Good. Okay, you guys are being good babysitters.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Pretty good.
Till next time, we'll do another video later.
Bye. Well, no.